Imagine that the most handsome, charismatic person stares you straight in the eye and says, "You're special. You look good, and you're good at what you do." He seems to know just what you like. He reads your innermost thoughts, and you feel like you've discovered a soulmate, a deep intimacy. You're experiencing one of those rare, fleeting moments that makes life worth living. Before you know it, you're involved in a deep, personal bond with a psychopath.
This is murder! Murder! You'll all be guilty! And you're doing it for nothing! Killing me won't bring back your goddamn honey!
But I know it will.
These individuals had the same personality characteristics, but through education, through where they live, they are able to get jobs in big business and do fairly well for themselves.
A psychopath is somebody who, as I've said before, is without a conscience. Not because he doesn't have the intellectual capacity to understand the difference between right and wrong. It's because the emotional connection with cognitions, thoughts, and so forth is absent. Some of the characteristics would include this stunning lack of empathy, lack of concern for other people.
What is it? What is that? What is that? What is it? Oh, no, not the bees! Not the bees! Ah! Open my eyes! Eyes! Ah!
A lot of the psychopaths that I've known, and I've assessed over 160 of them, a lot of the ones that I've known, they don't have an evil appearance or an evil feel. They're out to con and manipulate you. So they're charming. They're very charming, and they come across as being extremely easy to like. Most of them.
What you see in the movie is the dark side of the personality. What you see when you actually interact with them is the mask that they're presenting, with only a glimmer here and there of the dark side. And so if we learn from headlines in movies that psychopaths have this dark side, and we go out looking for it, we're not going to see it. And we'll conclude that they don't really exist. Or if they do, I've never met one. But you probably have met one. You just haven't seen behind the mask.